couldn't have gotten a better day to make this video. I'm just joking. The weather is absolutely horrible, but this is what we get, and this is what we will be working with. So before we actually go into the POV drive itself, I'm going to be showing you the car from the outside that we're going to be driving today. And this is the launch edition model, so it comes with these LED lights as standard. And I really recommend going for the launch edition or above spec just to get these LED lights. They really are better looking, and they are also way brighter than the standard ones. And this car has a two-tone paint color, so it has a black roof and a gray metallic color, and also black wheels that don't come as standard with this current CHR model. Probably seen quite a lot of videos of this car already, so I'm just going to be showing you quickly the back seats and the doors. So pretty standard seats, pretty standard door panels, nothing too impressive, but at least the technology we get on the inside, the actual buttons and the steering wheel that you interact with all feel like a very good material. So we're gonna be driving the car today as well. We're in the Toyota CHR 4-wheel drive launch edition model, and this is a 2-liter 197 horsepower gasoline hybrid version. So there is a plug-in version. You can only get it as a front-wheel drive, but then of course you can drive with only electricity. But with this 4-wheel drive you can only drive with the hybrid system. But the interior has clearly gotten a big upgrade. We have the digital display, a bigger media screen. We have heated steering wheel, heated windshield, automatic high beams. We have these fabric seats, which personally I think they could have made from a little bit better material. So yeah, I'm gonna leave the side of the road here. So the car gets 4 different drive modes. You have Eco, then you have Normal, you have Sport, and then you have Custom. And it makes this cool animation once you start changing them, but we'll just leave it for the normal version. Here you also get adaptive cruise control, active lane keep assist, and you also get the system that recognizes the speed limits. So the downside with that is when you start driving, and if you go over the speed limit by around 2 kilometers per hour, it usually starts beeping at you. So I'll try to avoid that avoid that right now. You can take the beeping off from the menu, but you have to take it off every time you start driving it again, because it activates itself over and over again. So keep that in mind. It's like the new Prius has this system that tracks your eyes or your head, and if you're looking the wrong way, it will start beeping at you. I'm glad this one doesn't have it, because I think it's really just more distracting than it is helpful. But it's a safety system, so it is meant to keep you safe, meant to keep you from looking at your phone, so you can look at it as a positive thing. And the 2-liter version really has a lot of power depends where you come from, but of course, overall in general, it feels very nippy. Feels like it's not gonna leave you on your tracks. So this is Toyota's own navigation system, and I think it's very good. It looks very nice. You do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto possibility if you want to use that. I think it's good like this already. And they have these cool little air vents that have this shine to them. I think they look very cool. It looks like a fighter jet, if I could say. And when you step on the gas, it really makes this kind of roary sound. So you can definitely hear the engine. But it's not an annoying one. It gives the car a lot of character. So now you can hear the sound insulation because it's raining now, and the road is covered in a thin layer of water, so it's a little bit better than the previous version, but it's still kind of on the same level, so you can't get everything. The price of this current car is around 45,000 euros in Finland, so it depends on the country, really depends on the taxation, how much you will end up paying for this. But it is a Toyota. The price really holds up well with these cars, and you don't have to worry about it too much. We couldn't have gotten a better day to make this video. I'm just joking. The weather is absolutely horrible, but this is what we get, and this is what we will be working with today. But I'm glad I'm driving the CHR because it really makes your day a little bit better, because it's so damn cool. I think they couldn't have made a better version of the CHR than they have right now. When you look at the car from the outside, it looks like a car from the future. I don't think I will be getting used to the look in a long time, in terms of, like, when I see one of these, I really look at them every time. It's just, they have a good silhouette to them. And the backlights also, which are something a lot of people have been talking about, it's really that makes this car special. And also the front end is looking more like the brand new Prius right now, but a little bit taller, a little bit bulkier. And I think the design of the new Toyotas are going in a very good direction. So if you're considering buying this car, I will definitely recommend it. Even I'm considering buying this car. It is a perfect mix of everything. Compactness, power, and overall just the feel. Even some passengers I've had on this car have always said that this is really something else. But of course, you get used to everything. But I don't think I would get used to this for a while. It's a very cool car. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and have a good one. Subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it, and see you on the next one.